Okay, guys, so I'm just going to kind of walk you through each slide. I'm not going to do all the questions for you, but I'm going to help you with, specifics of if you need any help on each part, like the first or couple steps at least, I'll help you. So when we're dealing with this problem, I want to see your separation bar, and I want to see you guys actually solving this properly. If we were actually going to write the step out, we know we're going to combine actually the variables. We don't have to write that out, but combine the like terms, combine the variables here, right? We could do that there. And then after we do that, we're going to get 8x plus 3 equals 19. Then we're going to kick the 3 out. We're going to move the constant over, move the constant to the right by doing the opposite operation. Positive 3, we're going to go ahead and do negative 3 to move it over. Okay? And then you're going to get 8x equals 16. You divide the 8. All right? No big deal. Here, your first step, we would be distributing the 3, right? That's our first step. Once again, you do not have to type anything. I'm just doing this for your help here in the video. We're going to do that first, right? These two, we're going to get 12x plus 6 plus 4 equals 22, okay? And once you get that, then you're going to combine the constants that are on the same side, right? So the constants here are going to be 6, 6, and 4. So then your final, not your final part, but one of the main parts here is 12x plus 10 equals 22. Okay. All right, cool. Then you know what you do from there. You're going to subtract 10. All right, I want to see this on your slide. I'm almost helping you guys too much. Now, if we were to play a little Beyonce here, she would be saying to the left, and I know I've been giving you this plan of moving your variables to the left-hand side. I do need you to know that you could also do the opposite. You could also move your variables to the right-hand side too. And I know that sounds crazy, but you could. The only thing I'm doing this for is I'm giving you a plan that I want to put all your variables on one side, so your final answer will have x over here, x equals, and then all of your constants need to be moved to the right. So I even do this sometimes in the same step. I'll go ahead and put it all in one row. And then, so this is going to be 2x. This cancels out. This cancels out. 2 minus 2 equals 0. Interesting. What times 2 equals 0? If we divide it, how many zeros fit into 2? And your answer is 0. Does that make sense? If I plug in 0 here for x, 2 times 0 equals 0. And it checks out. All right, if I wanted to plug it in up here, 5 times 4. Well, hold on, what did I do wrong? Oh, I did something wrong. Rusik, why did you put a 2 over here? Hold up, look what I did. All right, see, I made a mistake. This is good that you caught that. What's going on here? And if you didn't catch that, I caught myself, which is good. I'm like, what's going on here? I didn't think I could give you one like that. This cancels out, but this becomes negative 2. Sorry about that. And then I get 2x. I make my mistakes on purpose so you learn from them. And then I have a negative 1 here. Okay? So that's my final answer there. Keep going through this. Letters to the left. Move your variables to the left. Move your constant to the right. And then divide. You got this. Variables to the left. So when you do this one, you subtract 5x. I will help you with this one. It's a little different. All right. 15x. Okay. Plus 20. Equals 50. Then you would subtract the 20 and keep going. Divide the negative 15 at the end. All right. Distribute first. No big deal. Distribute. You're going to get 20x plus 10. And then you just write this down here, 10x. And I hear a lot of clicking. It's my mouse. All right. Then move that 10 over. Move this 10 over. All right. Both sides. You'll be fine. All right. For this one, make sure you combine like terms. First, no big deal. 7x plus 8, and then you would go letters to the left. All right. All right, this one, you're going to distribute both sides. Distribute both sides, then letters to the left, constants to the right. All right, this is with spices, right? This is the real spicy ones. Distribute first. All right, once you do that, distribute that first. So you're going to get 6x plus 12 plus 2x equals 6x plus 24. Okay? Now, you got to look at your sides here. That's why I put the separation bar here. You got to look at your sides. Is there anything to combine over here on the left-hand side? And this is where I could use like, oh, I wish they had kind of, no, it's okay. I look on this side, boom, 8x plus 12. And then from this point, you should know what to do. You're going to move this over here. You're going to move this over here. Okay? Do the best you can on this. The last one, take a look at this work. Sometimes if you want to do control minus to help you see all the work, you look at each step. There is a mistake, okay? Take a look at each step, see what's going on here, and do the best you can on this. All right? Hopefully you do well on this. Do the best you can, and I will check with you tomorrow.